Good morning, Bio 5, and welcome to Thanksgiving week, which is week 14. We have a short week this week, therefore you don't have a lab. So you have the regular lecture material, and that's going to be gas exchange, which is sort of a continuation from the mechanics of breathing. We're talking about the respiratory and now how gases move from one place to another. So it's sort of one of the same thing. And then to give you heads up, the following week we have urinary, so we'll finish with the kidneys. We'll do that in 1 week, and then it's finals. So after Thanksgiving, it always runs away from me. It's sort of gone. I looked at cross-country collision, and the mean was high for that for the quiz, was 81%, so excellent job. I think these cases are going really well. I'm happy with those. And next week you have one on urinary that I think you'll find interesting. So good work, you guys. I hope you have a fantastic Thanksgiving. Those 2 days off will be good for all of us. And yeah, see you soon. See you next week. Post-Turkey Day. Bye.